Hey guys, it's Steven from Legit Tech Tutorials, the Legit PC and the Legit Mobile. So welcome back to Intermediate slash Expert Construct 3 tutorial series. So here I am on my new PC setup from the last video. Reinstalled Windows, I'm running Windows 10 fully upgraded and all that stuff. And now I have a 25-inch main screen, 144Hz 1080p monitor, and then I have my Asus on the right, my old monitor, 25-inch turned vertically. So now I have a lot cleaner setup, way better performance, and all that jazz, and also fully updated OBS and all that stuff. So now the video should be a little better. So if you guys remember, this is the new series we're going to be talking about now on this specific game, because we are now done with Ava's game. So again, I went over this in my last video. This is the, what is it called? I guess you could say the assault on Alamo Prison, zombie assault on Alamo Prison, or zombie assault Alamo Prison. Something. I need to figure out like a smoother, easier name to say. But anyways, it's a multiplayer game, single player or multiplayer game, co-op, where it's basically zombie horde survival, top-down shooter that you see on a lot of the kind of games itself. So that is basically the idea that we are going to be messing with. And it's going to struggle on mobile. I mean, you could do it on the phone, but probably not without a controller. And the main thing is for like consoles and PC, I think are going to be very fun. So PC is going to play very well on something like Switch, those kinds of things. So I'm going to send my previous video to Construct 3 team. Haven't done that yet, and see if that's something that's possible to export to get it onto Switch or something without using Unity, because obviously Unity could go to Switch. So I will send that video to them and see if they can further elaborate on that for me. So we here have Construct 3 open on my main monitor, which is the one that's recording. So basically the things that we are going to be using, we're going to be using multiplayer, we're going to be using AI, we're going to be using live control of mouse input or joystick input or touch input or whatever. So it's going to be very interesting on this working. So we're going to find out how well it's going to work. So I think it's going to be very cool. I think that with this game, we could build it very fast with this game engine. So I'm thinking that we could probably build it within 12 videos. So that's like 6 hours. And this is going to be a commercial project. So I'm thinking it's going to be probably, even for PC, it'll probably be the $1 setup. So it's just like a $1 thing. And I think that would be kind of cool. Maybe $5. I'll have to see. And publish it somewhere, Steam, whatever. Because also another thing is play on TV, like Cuphead, something like that. So with that being said, I'm going to have to get a controller shipped here, which I think would be super cool, because then I could finally get, I mean, you could play Cuphead with mouse and keyboard, but it'd be really fun with better with a controller. So I'm going to have to get that shipped from Amazon and get it over to my place, so we could do some testing here on the PC with that input and see how well that works. But we do have keyboard, mouse, and then we'll have controller, and then probably on the phone it's going to be the exact same thing, and then if we get it on the Switch, exact same thing. If we get it on Xbox, PlayStation, exact same thing. We get it on web, it's the exact same thing on the web, HTML5. So basically, start with bench sheet, landscape, 854 by 480 SD landscape, and then we're going to call this assault. I think that's how you spell it. Let me see. Oh, yeah, ASSAULT. Okay. L Assault on Alamo Prison. Let's call it Zombie Assault on Alamo Prison. Zombie Assault on Alamo Prison. We'll just leave this for now. Optimized for pixel art. It's going to be pixel art, and we're going to be doing the pixels in Sprite, which is a $15 software. Actually, no. In this, that's what we're going to be using for Unity. In this, we're going to use the built-in sprite editor. So we'll see how well that goes. I think it's a sprite editor. I'm pretty sure it's a sprite editor. Okay, so okay, create. All right, so let's try. Sprite. Cool. So basically what we're going to be doing is this is going to follow the exact same thing as the other game. So in actuality, I can just grab the stuff. I could grab the what's it called, the main guy. I call him the groundskeeper. So I could grab the groundskeeper and bring him in, because basically that's what we're going to use. Dropbox main, Dropbox. Is it this one? No, it's not this one. It's the other one. Dropbox. Zombie Alamo. Assets. Stock assets. Groundskeeper hurt. Oh, that's audio. So also we could take some of the other stuff that I used to make some of the other stuff that I use in the Unity for the main version. So I don't know if you know, but I'm also developing this similar game like this, but it's a side scroller for mobile called Alamo Prison. Basically that's just a side scroller, side view, and we're going to take but that's like a slasher, but we're going to take a lot of those principles and bring it into this game, but this game is going to be a shooter, because I don't think that the melee is going to be that good. That's why they didn't really have melee in Nazi Zombies, really. So, where's my guy? Groundskeeper. Where is he? Oh, here he is. Oh no, this whole part. Doesn't look like it will. Oh. Let's see, can you, so that's a PSD. So PSD is what's it called? Yeah, I don't think. So PSD to Jpeg. Let's see, what do I have to open this with? Can I open with Paint? Nope. Open with, because I don't have Photoshop anymore. I got rid of that. So yeah, we don't need to, let's see. So basically I'm using an online, what's it called, online converter. Here, Zombie Alamo, assets, stock assets, groundskeeper, PSD. For now, download. Did it work? Oh, there it goes. There he is. So yeah, basically just used an online converter. There he is. Badass. Cool. Okay, so now what we can do, can we crop him? What the heck? Okay. Okay, like select edit collision polygon, so that's going to be very important. Horizontally. So let's see if this has. Because basically I want his outside to be transparent. So let's drop this down to like basically by pixel. No, that's even too much. There we go. That's my cat, sorry. So because basically we lost it when we converted it to Jpeg. We lost it when we converted it, so we're going to kind of and obviously he's kind of pixelated, so we might need to do him again. Well, that's okay. He'll work for right now, and then we could try making him again in this software, maybe next one. But this is a good thing to try though. You can see that it's got some sort of what's up? What's up, Jake? Sorry about that. So basically, he's just got this aurora around him. So you kind of blend that aurora out because of the compression, pretty much. Did that. Yeah. Oops. Okay, so there he is. Now he's got transparency behind him, so there's our guy, and that's actually kind of the size I want him to be. But actually no, this is not correct, because we actually need to do him over again. He's not going to work, because this is a top-down game, so all we're going to see is we're going to just see his hat. What was that? Was that the sprite? Sprite. So let's call this character. Oops. Let's call this character head. Main character. Okay. Let's double open it. Okay, so now basically he's got a gray head. He's got a gray hat on. So what we're gonna do is go to pencil. Saying that this is 1 pixel. I don't know about that. Can we change his size? I think it's over here. Here we go. So his size is going to be about 20 pixels by 20 pixels. 20 by 20. Okay, so let's just do this. Okay. Let's just do the tiering here. Oops. And then let's just do his hat, because then basically his arm's going to be sticking out. and then the gun's going to be attached to his arm. So basically on his left side, he's just going to have the gun sticking out. So then what we're going to do is we're going to go to black, and then his bill is black. And then his bill is just going to be like this. And then let's just round the back of his head. Let's round this section here. Looks weird. Looks way better when you're looking top down at him. But that's okay. That'll work for now. So let's do this. Tiger, stop. Okay. So there he is. But he's way too small. Let's make him, oh, size, yeah. So let's do 20 by 20. Oops. I'm zoomed in way too far. How do I? There it goes. Okay, that's about the size that he needs to be compared to this map. Okay, so that's good. Then let's double click here. And so let's say points, and then so let's say that his polygon is anywhere. Can I add points to polygon? No? No? Okay, I can't, so. Let's just say it's like that. Okay, so that is his collider. Okay. Now, so we have that guy, and now the zombie it's going to have stationary hands. So basically what we're going to have is we're going to right click, insert new object, zombie, and this again is going to be a 20 by 20. And when we edit it, we're just going to go all the way in. And we're going to do single point. And this guy's going to be kind of grayish. Kind of light gray skin. Like a red spot here. Okay. Okay, and then kind of forward with the body. Sorry about that. My cat was messing with something. Actually, let's do that here. And then let's delete this. So it's kinda not so weird. Come here, Tiger. Come here. Okay. And let's do some spots on his arm. Some not the same in the same spot. It's just gonna look kind of weird, but whatever. Oh, then I'm gonna zoom in. He looks really weird, but whatever. Oh, sweet. It automatically did that for me. Okay, another thing. I'm gonna get the collider. So his collider, it's very easy to do his collider on this one because he's square. Okay. Now, let's bump this guy up to also 20 by 20. There we go. Cool. So that's a zombie. Okay, this is a zombie. Okay, so now we got this guy, we got a zombie. Let's, we got 8 minutes. Let's try and do some implementation here. Collision with monster, add event. So let's say zombie. We're always, for right now, we're gonna have him do basic stuff. So we're just gonna have him run. We're gonna have him add condition. Every tick. We're gonna have the zombie set angle. Wait, back. Not this set angle. So here, I think I can do find expression main character. I think his position, I think I can do size position, X position. And Y position. Okay. Oh, come on, Tiger. Make up your mind, Tiger. Is it guessed? Not guess, man. Okay. Then, next one. Main character. Now there's got to be something I could add. Now there's a connector, this thing right here. Insert new object. Gamepad. Mouse. Added mouse. Okay, add event, mouse. Cursor is over object. I just want to pick up So basically, object is clicked. Okay, so, basically on every tick, system, on every tick, what action we want the main character to set angle. Oh, towards position. So it's reporting where the mouse is X is in the layout. I don't know if it's the layout or what the freak? Why does it got dots in here? I don't know why it's got dots in there. Okay. Alright, so let's see here. Pop up options. Should pop up there. Oops. There it goes. Oh, pivot's in the wrong spot. Why is the pivot in the wrong spot? Origin. Ooh. Oh man. Okay, that's fine for right now. Okay, let's try that again. That's better. Still kind of wobbling around, but that's okay. But why is this guy not setting his angle towards me? What time are we at? 28 minutes. I think that this is supposed to be image point. Bottom edge. Huh. Oops. Oh. So. Oops. Let's see. And then same thing with this one. Let's set the pivot. Set pivot point here. That's close enough. Okay, so let's do this angle 0. Then let's set this position. Where is this position? X is 185. So here X, let's do 185. 185. Okay. So he's off by 90, it looks like, I think. Oh wait, let's do preview. Debug layout, sorry. Debug layout. Okay. So zombie, what is his angle is 270. So let's do minus 270. So let's do this. Set angle. Oh. But it should be set angle towards main character. Strange. This looks like it works pretty good. This not so much. I think it's because it's confused. So what I could do, let's see if this works. It's probably not going to work, but that's okay. Okay. One 185. Let's move this guy over here. Huh. Now it works for whatever reason. Okay. Right before this ends, we're at 33 minutes. Let's just add some keyboard movement, and then that's it. And then we'll call it good for right now. So keyboard is down here. I saw it. Keyboard. Add event. Keyboard. Key. Age. Next position plus something, plus 1. And then let's just duplicate this. Copy, paste. Okay, then there we go. He's watching me. Weird. It's inverted. Let's fix that really quick. It's not a problem. Alright. But now he's a little dumb now. He's not rotating the right way anymore. Anyways, so yeah, we just gotta adjust that. It looks like his back of his head's rotating the wrong way, so that's okay. Alright, so we have the basis down. Obviously we need a little bit of massaging there, and we're way over time, 10 minutes almost over time, but yeah, so we got it started, and plus some of that 10 minutes was just recap talking about last week. So I will send, I think I'll send the video, we'll see. I'm pretty sure you could be done, so it's not that big of a deal. Once basically he goes inside the building, I'll have to have some sort of thing that once it goes through the door that he has to go, the character, the zombie has to go around and chase him in, pretty much. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this week, so I'll see you guys next week for the next video. Thanks for watching, take it easy, peace.